Today I'm going to show you how you can build a website at less than 1 minute. Guys, if you are promoting an affiliate offers, you need to write a blog, or you can promote an affiliate offer directly in social media, because YouTube or Google AdSense, they don't like the affiliate link, so they disappear ad. If you put it on YouTube videos, the creator will remove the command because it won't show up to any pages, because search engines and the social media doesn't like an affiliate link. So if you want to promote a clickbank offers or max bounty offers, you need a website or landing page to drive traffic from that into your offers, so you can put those website email domain into the social media or YouTube, so you don't get banned from that. But building a website is hard because you need to know WordPress. WordPress is easy, but it takes time to learn from it. I used it before because I have some experience on it, so I can use it. But if you are new to that, it is very hard to use it. So in this video, I'm going to talk about a website that's going to build your website actually using an AI powered software. Basically, the AI is going to build entire website for you. Once it's done, you can edit the site the way you want it, add pictures, remove pictures, add videos, anything you want with the website is easy to edit and easy to make. There are three different versions you can use. First, you can use it for free. Basically, you can build a website, you can promote it, and you have a free SSL certificate and everything, but you can't have a you only have a custom domain. Basically, the domain comes with the original website address. If you want to go more further, you need to get the paid version. They will host the site and everything. You can buy a domain out of there. They will host and everything. I will talk about it clear in detail. So the website is called bookmark.com. Basically, this website uses an AI powered software to build a website for you guys. So even though you never built a website before, this is going to take care and everything for you guys. So if you click the pricing, before I show you the tutorial and everything, I will clearly say this. You have three versions. You have a free version, you have 1 GB bandwidth and 500 megabyte storage, and free hosting and free SSL certificate with the you don't have subdomain, bookmark subdomain. To get your own domain, you need to buy it. I recommend GoDaddy and go and buy it from them, and you can submit here, and they will do everything, free hosting and the mobile website and everything, but you need to select the plan, this one. Or if you want to build an e-commerce store like a Shopify, you can use this plan and you can build the e-commerce store here. Again, if you are new to building websites, or want to learn how to simply build a website for your affiliate offers, I recommend use this one, because you are not using a website to get organic traffic from Google. You're using a website as intermediate to transfer your traffic from the source to the affiliate offers. You're gonna act as intermediate. So basically, it is helped to stop banning from your social media or YouTube or Google. So I recommend use the free version. If you want, you can go higher version. So leave that in the side. I will show you how you can build a website in less than 2 minutes. So if I will here, this I already have one site. I have two account actually. One is paid version, one free version. This is my free version account. In this site, this is the dashboard. When you sign in, basically you can create a website the way you want it, create more website that you want, or you can watch your analytics. You don't have to install any other plugins. They will do everything for you, and you can ask an expert, you can also help, you can do whatever you want with this website. But I'm gonna show you how you can create a website. This AI is called ADA, is Artificial Intelligent Design Assistant, going to create a website for you. So this is the part where you click create website. It will take you to this page, and you need to click start now. Now in the drop down menu, it will show you guys here. You need to select what is your business about. Okay, so it's about coffee shop, it's about accountant, is it about affiliate marketing? Say they have affiliate marketing here. Let's have landing page. You have a landing page here. So for example, I want to type blog, I want to start a blog. Okay, so click a blogger and click next, and it's ask you the name. If you don't have a domain, just put the name you wanted. So best kitchen tools, so something like that. Okay, then click next. It will open this page. It asks you add your own custom blog or add e-commerce store with a shopping app. You are not doing that. You are doing a blog. Even though you don't do either of them, then just click click next. But I am using a blog, right? That's why I'm gonna click add your own custom blog. So I don't want to do that now, so just I don't choose any option here. Click next. It will open this page where you need to put a title of the website, address and phone number for the contact detail. If you don't have any store or anything like that, leave it behind. You can upload your custom logo here and click next. Now it's asking what type of website. Basically this one, you have a top menu, but it's multi-page website. Its left menu is multi-page website. This is a top menu with a single page website. So you need to select what your niche is and what kind of website you want. I always go with a single website because I'm promoting a product I want to send to the customer like that. So it's a simple blog. I select the blog, yes, because what I'm gonna do, I select an affiliate offers and I write article, 1 or 2 article about that, and put the affiliate link in the articles to promote it. So I'm gonna select a blogging section and I'm gonna select a single page website. So I click that and click next. And now you need to select the images you can change it later for what image you like. So for example, these are royalty free, so I go with nature, like a book, something like that. You can change it in the future. And you ask what kind of style of the website is, like a bright, bold, modern, fresh, clean, sophisticated. I go with fresh. Now once it's done, it will take you to this page where it will ask you, it will take you 30 seconds to create a web page for you. So you need to click create my website. Okay, you can see from there it will add everything in front of you. I like about section, header, images and everything. It will automatically add it for you guys. You don't have to do anything. Now your website is ready now. So okay, you can click it and you need to click start editing this website and click preview. And if you can see it from here, it will open this page. Best kitchen tools, simply better always. And it will also show you these kind of because it's a blog, it's adding a blog in front of you, like image trusted by all these sites and a social media app. And you can come to the bottom at the top, there's a home section, there's a bio section, there's a discover section. You can see the tablet mode here, you can see the mobile section mode here. It's easy and simple. If you come down here, if you go back to menu, there's all the options you want can do to re-edit your site. So if you can say, for example, go to design and you can choose the style you want, like this one, number 3 or different style of the website. Or you can go to menu, you can change the color of that menu by here, by clicking here. You can see it. If you go down, it will change here. if red, you can change like that. You can change add a page, you can add new pages, you can remove all pages, you can add images. For example, if we go to here and module, it will talk this page, you can add text, title, gallery, slideshow, images, videos. You can add your own code in here, and you can subscribe from everything you can add here. Like you can, what you can do with the WordPress website, you can do it here without installing too much plugin. That's right guys, if you install too much plugins on WordPress website, the site will slow down. The viewers doesn't like the slow website. But here you don't have to install any of those, everything is built it for here, pull it in this site. You need to add and remove the section you want. That's all. That's the only thing you have to do. I recommend spend a little bit time on learning how you can add each section. Like I said, it's going to take less than 2 minutes to build a website, and you can play around here and add and remove the section you want. That's it, your website is ready. Once it's ready, you can click hit this section, publish. It will publish the site. Now this site won't be up on the search engine because you are not, it's free hosting, but it's in a subdomain website. So in order to appear in a SEO section like in Google, you need to get the paid version, you need to put your own domain. But you can use this free version like with the subdomain and to promote your affiliate offers on your social media or YouTube without getting banned from them. So that's it guys, it's easy to build a website and easy to promote affiliate or offers without getting banned from any social media. Once it's done, once it's published, your website is live and active. You can share the link here. This one, a bookmark token preview. This is the domain, subdomain. You can share with your friends or in your social media group, or like a Facebook group or something like that. I guess if you like my videos, subscribe, like and share. I will make a feature video on how to make a landing page on this, how to promote affiliate offers and like that. If you want to get a bookmark, you want to test it out, bookmark, I put the link in the description, check it out. And if you like my videos, subscribe, like and share. I will try to create one video every single day. Thanks guys for watching.